Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 timeless decorating details that can make your home look designer. Now, after reviewing many designer homes, I've noticed that they're not filled with designer pieces, they're filled with tiny details that can make a space look curated, expensive, and designer. So you can definitely create these looks in your home as well, and I'm going to be sharing all of the tips and tricks today. So if you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now, one style of wall art that's never going to go out of style is a good landscape painting. Landscape paintings can always be found in designer interiors because they stand the test of time. They really integrate well with almost every design style. They look elegant, they look classic, and they really add this beautiful, colorful touch to a home. So you can find landscape paintings that feel very bright and cheerful. You can find some that feel very light and whimsical or dark and moody, which is always fun to play around with the different styles. You can find original landscape paintings, oil paintings, even watercolor paintings, or you can even find prints on Amazon, on Etsy, and get them printed on your own and frame them in your own frame. You can always change up the look of them, make them look more modern with modern frames, or you can have them look very classic with a thick chunky wood frame or an antique brass frame. I also love finding small landscape paintings. They're really great to include on small walls of your home, in your kitchen, your bathroom, or even on your bookshelves. They really add this artistic touch, look classic, and something that's always going to be timeless that you never have to take down. Now, there's an overwhelming amount of options out there when it comes to choosing cabinet hardware. There's so many different metal finishes, so many different shapes and sizes. Something really classic is always unlacquered brass and polished nickel, but if you don't want to mix any metals in your home and you want to go with something very simple and classic, you can actually do a painted wood knob. Now, this looks very English cottage, very colonial, and I absolutely love it. You'll always find wood knob furniture at antique stores, and continuing that kind of furniture detail into cabinet details is such a classic look. I like that you can work with your wood tones on that, or you can work with your paint color on that. I think it gives this really soft, simple detail in your kitchen, very primitive, and I think it's absolutely stunning. It's also the most affordable and super timeless. Now, something that's always going to determine if your furniture piece looks timeless or not is the leg style. The legs and feet of your furniture pieces matter, and I think one of the most classic timeless looks that you can find is turned wood leg furniture. You can find sofas with this detail, side chairs, coffee tables, dining tables, even kitchen islands can be made with turned wood spindles. This is more of a traditional look, but it can definitely be used in modern homes as well, just to add that classic look in. It's very easy to mix in other design styles with it, even more furniture that doesn't have legs. Maybe you have slip covered furniture or furniture that goes straight to the floor. Adding in a turned wood leg furniture detail is really going to give you a classic timeless look. It's always important to look at the furniture leg details. It really shows you the style of each furniture piece, and this specific turned leg furniture style is really going to give you that longevity that you're going to need in your home. Now, one of my favorite decor pieces to include in every single space is a lamp. Floor lamps, table lamps, you need multiple of them, and you need them for that ambient cozy glow in your home. But one detail when it comes to a lamp that you need to include for a timeless look is a linen lampshade. Linen lampshades aren't stark white, they're not shiny, they're not colorful, they're not patterned, they're really subtle, warm, and textured. So they give you the perfect glow around your home. So the base of your lamp can always be different. You can go with a metal base, a large textured base, colorful or glossy, but the thing that's really going to keep your lighting in your home consistent and classic and timeless is that lampshade. You can really play around with the shape of the lampshade with pleated lampshades, wavy lampshades, super tapered lampshades. That gives you a lot of style, but that one thing that's going to keep it classic is that linen look. Now, an elegant detail that you can add to your home is brass gallery rails. These can be added to bookshelves, built-ins, ledges, even your range hood. They can be very functional by allowing you to lean art up against them, but they can also just be very decorative and give you that nice finished edge to any kind of shelving. So if you want to just take your shelving to the next level and really add in an ornate, detailed look, you can add in your own brass gallery rail. You can find them on Etsy. have them made custom to your size, and it will look absolutely timeless. Now, a small detail that you can add to the windows of your home that's going to give you big impact on a budget are cafe curtains. Cafe curtains always look classic and timeless. They are really going to stand the test of time. You can always swap them out with different patterns and colors. You can hang these on curtain rings, really match the metals around your home, but it's such a sweet, dainty detail that you can add to your space, and it really makes a huge impact. So I always recommend choosing one specific space around your home to include these because they are such a detailed look. I would include them in your kitchen, maybe a breakfast nook, or even a bathroom. This isn't something I would put on every window of your home, but I would leave it for special moments for that big impact. So I love that cafe curtains allow you privacy. They can really be light filtering, but they also let so much light in above. They're such a practical detail, especially for bathrooms where you really want that mix of both. One extremely simple, affordable decor piece that you can add to almost every room of your home is a classic wood bowl. You can always find these antiquing, thrifting, you can find them brand new. They are practical, they're beautiful, they add warmth, and they're always going to be a classic, timeless decorating piece. I love stacking wood bowls on books around my built-ins to really add in that wood touch. I love using them on kitchen islands, corralling fruit for a really lively look in your kitchen, using them on coffee tables as catch-alls in entryways. It's something that you'll definitely have forever that you'll never question if it's going out of style or not. Now, one specific decor piece that's never going out of style are brass candlestick holders. These can be found at thrift stores and antique stores, but they can also be found being sold brand new at every home decor store. So that really shows you that they're trending in design, but they're also classic. It is so fun collecting brass candlestick holders. I love finding them in every shape and size. I think they look perfect grouped together. You can also find brass candlestick holder sconces. So that really adds a really traditional look to your home if you want to bring that candlelight up onto the wall. But keeping it simple with brass candlestick holders around your home for styling can always do the trick to making your space look designer. Now, there's so many different styles to choose from when sourcing a kitchen faucet, but the one style that I think is always going to be timeless is a bridge faucet. So that faucet that has that nice bridge piece in the middle. These can be done in a very modern look that's very streamlined, or they can be very ornate, but just that one detail makes it look very timeless and classic. It's something that's always going to look great. It doesn't really give you this timestamp in your kitchen that some faucets do. Every kitchen that has a bridge faucet really just has this elevated look. And again, choosing that in a classic finish like unlacquered brass or polished nickel will give you the most timeless look. Now let's talk doorknobs and door handles. Doorknobs can definitely timestamp your home and make your home look like it's from a specific time period, making it look trendy or dated. Now, one thing that I think really gives you this timeless classic look is an oval doorknob, the egg-shaped doorknobs. They are so timeless, and it's something I always recommend choosing when looking for new doorknobs for your home. It's the most comfortable to grab onto. It feels dainty and elegant. Of course, there's so many different shapes to choose from when choosing door hardware, but sometimes I find when you go a bit too modern or a bit too ornate, it can really start to date your home. That one detail on your door is going to make all the difference. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you a better idea on items that you can include in your home to make your space look designer. If you're looking for even more timeless decorating tips, I'll leave all the videos that I've made on this topic down below in the description box so you guys can check those out as well. If you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!